This is Immaculate 6756, 5 times. Here we go. Good luck, all. Pulling up the randomizer, removing the JAGS from this list because they can't win themselves. 5 times. Here we go. Just actually going to confirm quickly that it is the JAG I'm still giving away. I know a few have swapped. It's not this one. Okay, good. Here we go. We're back. 5 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Top is New York Giants. 5 times. Giants on top. Let's find out who's got them. They might be Giants. They might be with Owen Tao. Congratulations. Oh, New York. Marty Mervo. It's been not quiet today, but kind of just. Oh, one last set. Go Marty again. Oh, one last set. Go Marty. Here we go. I reckon we could be a redemption. Yes. Is that 2 redemptions? Yeah, no. Alrighty, here we go. Good luck, all. Up first to 10, it's Zeke. That's very nice for the Cowboys. Ezekiel Elliott, 1 of 10. Up next, also for the Cowboys, it's the Creep Sheep. To 10, CeeDee Lamb. Not associated. Very nice. Cowboys starting hot. Oh, that's what. Oh my God. $2.99 for the Buffalo Bills. Devin Singletary. That is $2.99. That's the Players Collection jersey. I'm gonna bloody hide this redemption because who knows who it's gonna be. For the Cowboys, it is Tony Dorsett. This is Cowboy City. Who picked them up? You have to give him a congratulations because that's a beautiful card right there. Dallas. There you go early. Heath Fleming, congratulations. He's absolutely TTP'd so far. Can he go further? To 49, Joe Thomas for the Cleveland Browns. And then finally, redemption. Premium patch rookie autographs, card 6, Kellen Mond for the Vikings. That's all right. I didn't expect Kellen Mond to be so far up, but premium RPA, Kellen Mond. That is Immaculate 6756. Congratulations to everyone who hit.